Hello everyone, I am going to start today the science class, okay, class 9 from NCERT books only, okay. And the first chapter I am going to discuss is atoms and molecules, okay. So let's get it started. Atoms and molecules, okay. So let's see, here I am covering from ePathshala, okay, online platform. So atom is structure, okay, atom is structure, atoms and molecules. We know that many atoms get interacted and get bonded to form molecules, okay. So now this part, the important main part, okay. Main part here, structure, it is an atom, atomic mass, atomic structure, structure of the atom, this one. Okay, so structure of the atom, charged particles in matter. We know that atom composed of three particles mainly, okay, proton, electron and neutron. Proton and neutron is proton is positively charged, neutron is neutral in charge, neutral, no charge is there, okay, and electron is negatively charged. And proton and neutron is located inside the nucleus, the central part of the atom, and surrounding it the electrons are circulating, okay, and electrons are circulating in various orbits, and various orbits, this principle is given by Bose, okay. So scientist Bohr has given this principle that electrons are circulating circulating around the nucleus, and it is in the specific pathway, specific orbit, specific cell, that is named as Bohr's orbit, okay. And those Bohr orbit have a principal quantum number, that is small n. Small n can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this, means complete number, okay, whole number, okay. So whole number, according to the value of small n, we get 2n square formula, that means 2n square, 2 small n square. So any orbit, like first orbit having small n is equals to, first orbit is small n is equals to 1, so 2n square comes to 2. Then this means that the first orbit will have only 2 electron, only maximum 2 electron, okay. It can be 1 or 2, but maximum is 2. So maximum electron number is here, maximum electron number is calculated from the formula of 2n square, okay. So likewise in second orbit small n is equals to 2, so second orbit means small n is equals to 2, so 2n square comes to 8. So that means the second orbit can have only maximum 8 electrons. This is the formula, okay. And another thing, the name is there, means small n is equals to 1, then the cell or orbit is named as K, then small n is equals to 2, orbit name is L, then small n is equals to 3, orbit name is M, likewise, okay. So this comes from Bohr's model, okay. Another thing I would like to discuss here, see, Rutherford model, okay, this one. Wait, one person, yeah, that whatever I said na, nucleus is the central part, and it is the main part of the atom, which has mass. Most of the mass is located inside the nucleus, so it comes from Rutherford's experiment, okay. And the electrons are circulating the around surrounding the nucleus, that also comes from Rutherford's model, okay. And when it comes to the orbit principles, then it is from Bohr's orbit model, okay, Bohr's model of atom. So this one, KLMNOP, like this, nucleus and surrounding orbits are there, KLMN, and small n value is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, likewise, okay. So neutrons I already discussed, this is neutral in charge, okay. And it is, and another thing you must remember, proton is having 1 unit mass, neutron is having 1 unit mass, but electron is almost nil in mass, okay, almost no mass is there in electron. So we consider only when we calculate the mass of the atom, then we calculate only proton number and Newton number, 1 unit for each one. Okay, so for now only this, up to this. In next class I will cover remaining part. Okay, thank you all. Study well, crack every government exam. Okay, all the best.